Welcome to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest update across South Sudan and beyond. Today we bring you breaking update from Juba, Nyirol, Yambio, Torit and Malakal. Stay tuned as we cover the defection of over 11,000 officers to SSPDF, a shocking rape case in Juba, a decision to suspend Ghost MPs in Western Equatoria, Governor Lobong reaction to UNIMIS withdrawal, and a new £76 billion budget passed in Nyirol State. Let's begin our top story with SPLA sold their defection to SSPDF, but SPLA responded. Our top story comes from Nyirol County, Jonglei State, where reports say that over 11,000 SPLA soldiers and officers have switched their allegiances to the South Sudan People Defense Forces SSPDF under President Salva Kiir Mayardit. According to the South Sudan People Defense Force SSPDF spokesperson, these forces, including senior officer, lower rank, and some local tradition chiefs, declared their defection from the SPLA under Dr. Machar, who remain under detention in Juba. The announcement reportedly took place on October 27, 2025 in Pulturuk village, Pulturuk Payam, Nyirol County. Pictures shared from the event show community leader and officer standing together with government representative confirming their loyalty to the state and national leadership. The South Sudan People Defense Force spokesperson say that the picture of other SPLA members in bases like Nyambor, Riang and Pading will be taken soon. These are said to be the new administrative headquarters of Nyirol County. But shortly after the government announcement, the SPLA leadership in Nyirol County released a strong statement rejecting the claim. The statement came from Honorable Nyang Boldak, the deputy chairman of SPLA in Nyirol County. He said the defection of General Gatkek Tolshek and others to the government has nothing to do with the SPLA leadership or its program in Nyirol. Honorable Nyang Bol say the SPLA will continue its work and commitment to peace and stability. He accused the SSPDF spokesperson, Major General Lu Rekong, of making false statements to cause confusion and division among communities. He said, and I quote, the claim that Riang Fading, Nyambur and Pultruk Payam under government control is not true. These are false statements meant to mislead the public. The SPLA deputy chairman also sent a warning to Honorable Bol Makwech, ordering him to leave Pulturuk Payam immediately. He said entering Pading or Riang without peaceful coordination could cause conflict or bloodshed, something the community want to avoid. He further accused Honorable Bol Makwech of deceiving the Balnyal community and trying to incite division, but he said the people are now united again. He ended by saying that the SPLA in Nyirol remain firm, peaceful and focused on protecting the people from any internal conflict. This situation showed the deep division and tension is still present in South Sudan politics and military alliances, especially as the country moves toward its upcoming elections. In Juba, after 3 years of abuse, Juba minors speak out. Now to a disturbing story from Juba, where a 14-year-old girl has spoken publicly about being raped repeatedly by a relative for 3 years. The girl guardian, Julia Nyayur Kwanyin, say she brought the child from Twitch County, Warab State, to Juba in 2021 so she could go to school. They live in Miya Saba neighborhood in a house owned by Sayir Angok Sayudit, a 45-year-old man related to Julia's husband. Julia said Sayir had offered to help pay for the girl's education, but when the girl was 11 years old, Julia says Sayir began forcing himself on her wherever she was away at work. The guardian said he threatened the little girl not to tell anyone. This continued for 3 years. The abuse came to light when Julia started noticing strange behavior in the house. One day, after an argument, she was expelled from the home. The girl later revealed the truth, saying Sayir had been assaulting her for years. The case was reported to police in Munuki, and Sayir was arrested under Article 247 of South Sudan Penal Code, which defines rape and makes sexual act with a minor illegal. However, Julia and the girl lawyer Yasmin Ahmed Kamis Yorur say the case has been corrupted. They claim the charge was changed from Article 247 to Article 264, which describes a man living with a woman as if married. This change will allow the accused to argue for marriage instead of facing a rape conviction. Following this, Sayir was released on bail. Report said he offered 100 cows to the girl's father as bride price, while her documents were allegedly changed to make her look older, from 14 to 17 years old. Julia said the girl refused the first marriage, saying, "This man raped me, I do not want him." Sadly, her refusal led to violence. Her own brother beat her for saying no. The girl has since been taken away from Julia's care. Lawyer Yasmin said Yurur condemned the handling of the case, saying corruption and silence are protecting rapists while victims suffer. She called on the government to enforce the law that protects children and ensure no one can buy their way out of justice. Western Equatoria suspends salaries of absent MPs. In Yambio, Western Equatoria State, the State Legislative Assembly has suspended payment to lawmakers who have missed 10 or more sessions without permission. Speaker Antuna Richard said the move is meant to promote accountability and discipline among members. Some MPs have not attended Parliament for up to 3 years. She reminded members that they were elected to represent their people and asked, if you don't attend sitting, who will speak for your communities? The decision was made under Regulation 7.3. We give the Speaker power to suspend pay and benefit from members who skip session without permission. More than 14 out of 100 members were identified as repeatedly absent, but the Speaker clarified that those on medical or maternity leave are not affected. Both ruling and opposition members supported the decision. Government Chief Whip Isaac Juma Martin said it was lawful and necessary to uphold integrity. Opposition lawmaker James Elisama Bagwayo call it a bold move that restores respect to the assembly. Civil society group also praised the order. Michael Dakpari Peter of the humanitarian organization say the assembly is where community issues are discussed. MPs, members of parliament who don't attend, are letting their people down. The speaker say the suspension is temporary. Any member who resume attendance will have their pay restored. The action is a strong message to politicians across the country. Accountability starts with showing up. Governor Lobong reaction to UNIMIS withdrawal. In Eastern Equatoria State, Governor Los Lobong Lojora expressed sadness over the withdrawal of the UNIMIS field office in Torit. He spoke during a meeting with Anita Kiki, the acting deputy special representative of the UN Secretary General, who explained that UNIMIS is scaling down its field office due to a global funding crisis. Governor Lobong say in which UNIMIS could stay until after the national election, as the mission has helped support peace and stability in the region. He thanked the UN for its long-term partnership and said that their support had been key in maintaining security in the state. However, he said the closure comes at a critical time and may affect ongoing peace-building program. UNIMIS official Anita Bayo assured him that the mission is not abandoning the state and that coordination will continue from Juba. She said the UN will keep supporting peace and humanitarian work in the area. Governor Lobong encouraged citizens to stay calm and united, promising that the state governor will continue to cooperate with UNIMIS and maintain peace. He said he believed the closure is temporary and that the relationship between UNIMIS and Eastern Equatoria will remain strong. Let's take a look at Upper Nile State past 76 billion SSPDF. SSP budget. In Upnal State, the Legislative Assembly has passed a budget of 76 billion South Sudanese pound for 2025-2026 financial year. The announcement was made by the State Minister of Information, Peter Ngonjo, who said the budget was approved by the Council of Ministers before being endorsed by Parliament on October 20, 2025. The budget will now be sent to the office of the governor for signing into law. Minister Ngonjo said the new budget focuses on improving health, education, and service delivery across the 13 counties and Malakal municipality. He said the health sector received the highest amount, 5.2 billion South Sudanese pound, while the Human Rights Commission and Peace and Reconciliation Commission also received strong allocation. He also said the state expects new funds from oil revenue transfer from Juba, as well as taxes from NGOs and local businesses. He added that last year our plans were affected by limited resources. This year, with better revenue flow, we are ready to implement. The passing of this budget marks an important step for the rebuilding of Upper Nile State after years of conflict and instability. And that brings us to the end of today's Changfied News Hour. Jawon bialin gwasa me kan ran kan na wore la kana me gore jeno jender channel der support ko bilarity be kan shamala shipkaje jawon yam balin gwasa me bana rache ka queen ne to shop ke kina dangwal kel tinje tay ka kuma SPLA ka shikano ka kuma SSPDF de ne to te ka pin dakren machar batte jojo gwan kan shikati ay shikano ka kuma marwai ke akirma yari te jala ran balin gwasa me kan ler kokin Re wiki Nyirol County ka Jonglei State chari po chaje nongono nene shikina dangwel kel ka kuma SPLA deni kuma SPLA wachi ka tiai kanetin content je tiai wa kan tik pin dakre ma char chikanan ladno shi ka tiai shi ka South Sudan People Defense Force ala shikarin matke deni SSPDF pin kirma yadit ka jomu chalat gwase me South Sudan People Defense Force amdana la jola jatop ka kwidian General Lure Kong Chalado Natin content chetiai, the senior officer ticketin Natin content gorta tiana ticketin, cut local traditional shift ticketin ba, Canada to Chicaladano Chicatiai, Kakuma spelling, Pin, Dr. Reg Machar, Kashigo Kakuma Kirma Yadit. Sha announcement me chajalat ke chang yandang red baro ka paiwel ronkin dangro jandang red de doro shalke Pulturuk village Pulturuk payam ke Nyirol County turnde sha share online General Lure Kong no turnde chaga kare wichin winami lo nyu de jeno kene titi shikatia shikano ka kume kir mayadi turo to chaka nyot ka chaka ne dial but gwasa me tie ka jom shalat kan kono nyam chan jamling SSPDF nyok SSPDF spokesperson kelado ne doran chal ke nyam bor riang kana pading ti kan chikana capite controlien rewi kan Nyirol County chikala do tele mishale kuma SPLA yo mitre wichin winami kan dial SPLA yo chikati ka chikano ka kuma kirma yadit ka jodan chikana lat but ka kore te ka jom chano ngwasme mila breaking news kuma SPLA mayo leadership mitre wikin Nyirol County te ka jom chikana kwen gwasme lat kana no ne men chala da kuma SSPD pin kirma yadit en waya kach Kajom Shalat Honorable Nyang Bol Dak Sheladone, General Deputy Chairman SPLA Nyirol County Sheladone, Joe Shalat General Gatcake Tolshek, Kananatin Kokin and Corner Chitia Kume SPLA and Woken Itikan control Nyirol and wo she can come SPLA she can a yar cage come SPLA Japan a can a mene catch Chajo me charge a quenecan a caneman Shalat Guasame a canashia talk Kujamo, Dene public Dene Galaro, Come SPLA Telembe yar a chang she netin contin at the core General Gatcake Tolshek canated Kokin Changman Chikatia Kachikala no shop Kinwell Kelishikatia Telemi Yareka Kuma SPLA Honorable Nyang Bol Sheladone Kuma SPLA ngode telet ngode chigrunen commit ko biken mal biken jate wana telekor she kuma SSPDF chicken ka gwany chike General Lure Kong chicken la jorno General Lure Kong jo chala no take 11,000 SPLA IO tichitiare which in winami chala no air catch gen point the ganinated county la community tintere wiken Nyirol County ka jom chalat gwaseme en ran SPLA mila deputy chairman chala do ne jo won chala do chariang chaja kep pading chaja kep nyambur chaja kep pulduk chaja kep ala pultuk payam chala do ti diality tilat tin chala do tiken pin ku me kirmi yadi chala do e kach ne me chetok en statement dan sha mek general lure kong chala do chaja ga ka kach SPLA deputy chairman che warning che jitup ku de shal honorable bol makwech chala do ne gone no jin bijen dor shalke pultruk mo teche jen ka pultruk payam mene yad mach dor shalke pading keneriang ko chine gorno tege kom la rode jin woyro de wucin wunemi sikan woni ngame sikan top sikan wude shalka mo honorable bol makwe sikan jogono jin de community ke yere community ka kuje mo chine gore wucin waname gone no jin bidil jen atel kor chajo mo chaje top shi honorable bol makwe chaja gwanyin wonena jen che bal nyang community cheka kai kach no gorje no biken rodian daga no tene di choko kuma SSPDF kallar ke jeno ken ka konwe tala de no si honorable bol makwech che jomi jek che lat ke quinenten kontlan ware tintere wike Nyirol ka bal nyal community gorje no dere kada ke gorje no division batu ko community ta jomo cha jela no ne me chi chong ke chi mugwa ko de community de kada kuma SPLA ayo wontere wiki Nyirol chikala no kane tungut no nokan mal tel kor mugor kene dundo mi shaka push kene bikan kor bikane tok kene ne gang ne ko tel kor betok bar ka joda na shalat kuma SSPDF ke joje no ken gor ken no de koder tore wucin widemi ke video ni kono ken ga share online ken turne telat ken no ne de content ka SPLA yo shikati ay kan dial no shi kin dangwel kel ka SPLA yo shikati ay antem SPLA yo chakola ski cha jek cha jomo cha je kweneken jen kwala gaga netin content ko kuma SPLA yo eno men chalat kuma SSPDF eno shi to ka kach ngode SPLA yo jaten telemi yare cheng chala do tene de jeti ay cha jomo cha jalat wana kilere me shalado ne te ke nyamtod mi cha chenga jek wut mi shawo dore lo goratin re wiki Juba nyamtod mo shalado jen te karun dangwel ngwan re wiki Juba jen cha roi kana seno jen cha ja kapin rami mo mila gwan mara de karun de shop ka diok meteka kel karun dang diok to te shengan kel re wiki Juba shalado la ja kap ka pin wudo mo Ramadan te dore Sheikh Mushal Julia Nyayur kwanyin yala do nene cha gadame che jenong do shal ke Twitch County ka Warab State ko ben gware wiki Juba ne ke 2021 ko be dur gorga de bejo gor an gwad mu chade gore dul gorka ka dor dan te tente dor shal ke mi saba neighborhood re wiki Juba jen chieng te ten shinguru mu chal ga sayira ngok sayidit wuda me te gurun jen ngwanu dich la run dab kade Julia cha jomo cha jalat ala Julia cho Julia an wudame jen la toje ka gadamon ka jawrana shalat ci Julia cha la do ne sayir sorry Julia chawde Ramadan en kulete ka chieng no Allah sayira ngok sayir Ramadan en sila do be nyal be jelwak no ka ta dana dong der nyamo der gwar ka je Banin State te gorje no be nyame be jakane gwade non ka nyal ka je ke nang jere wiki Juba je te karun dang wel kel karodien no shu Julia shu je nang re wikin binimi dunon wen mo shu sayir yu to ka mikka be nyama ke be je pin ngot ga te karun dang wel kel karodien antam ci gat te karun dang wel ngwan mi cha gat cha je ti jo cha je no shela do jen la ja kap ko pin wudo mo cha nang ka kot ke jen jo me men kwala gor gwas me obi anga jen wonene nyam ton mi chala no we gwara dien ka jeno shiga shemane ne meni wrong ne ka jen first place no banyal baje kan kut shemane nang ka je re wit mi do dien wo bo gwartin a chiga jen wudo me mi shaling no chinyal je ka pinyane wajen cha je yen ka gwade dan ka cha nyo mo waje lin for free ka jo mi chala to jilwo no ne na nyal ci te kel karundang diok wi min mu nyuna jeno wa gula shek de karundang diok to ka chala de jen shek men no nyalo ngode ka kwa mi se wut chawra jeno chala do bok yorpin nyam bala shek de bat nyam toro mo che jelok ke war gam sha gor kenetin kontin tin la che man nyal la nyal wati gurunwal ngwan ba cha jaw le no te gurundang wal baro ka ta dana shawr ga cha gor ke je mu nyodo di ci nyal cha gu jeno cha nyam di da la shek ko nyam ci te karundang wal diok nyam ci kanun dang jok re wud dwarut ka la kap ko pinishang wa go ge jen wuda mo chala shode ngono be jokon bat nyal ce je loko jen shan gor ba ko ne wud mu kabe pin ka jaw dana chalat lawyer Yasmin Yurur she konde mishit kaname lat kana wona me corruption ka jakano cha lugmu gwa cha bulu ko cha wuda dana ci nyal ci kapin chaje luñ ne me da la leer no gad ci ne ka ganka ki ka gor kano ba ka tit jo me der we kayene dial kon lin ka roine gwasame channel watch ka kwi budget ka dung apanal no doran shal ka apanal state chala do wona ja joje no tega budget mitek billion de chop ka 76 billion SSP budget are ka apanal en budget mo wa guri jeno ba jalalet ko ba wich apanal ba jalat ka jowran shalat ke je wa kan unity tan yun bu ko dolwal tan yun bu ko ka peace and peace building ka yuba bu ko kan e diala ko ken chit ke el sector ka do badana shalat ke je ki dung pola point wa tan yun bu ko human right commission and peace and reconciliation ka do badana gorga jeno de ne dial de kan ta kamal la 5.2 billion SSP wa ba kam human right commission and peace building and reconciliation re which ka panal ka jo dana shalat jo me agenda de konaling ka Changfied YouTube channel me jira me jadid gorojin be subscribe ya temal